Hi class, so welcome to Book Creator. To create your new book, you're going to click on plus new book. You're going to choose whatever mode you want to present your story in. This is kind of the classic portrait mode that I'm choosing. You're going to add a title. So you're going to go to the plus sign, click on text, and then you can type in your title, which can be the name of the person that you researched. So mine will be Ilhan Omar. And then to change the font of any of the text that you're using, you can go to the little I sign. Once your text box, you have to click on your text box, go to the I sign, and then you can choose a font that you like. I'll go with this one. And you can choose a larger size if you want to. So I'm going to make this a little bigger, like that. And then I think I'm also going to make sure that I include my name, because I'm the author, so I'll say by Miss Julia. Done. And if you see the text is kind of overlapping, you can just drag that on down. And then you can play with the different colors and everything that they have here. So here you have this little I sign, and that will take you, when you're not highlighting a text box, that will take you to colors, comics, paper, borders, patterns, textures. You can explore all of these. I'm going to go ahead and click textures because I like that feature. And I'm going to click on that, and there is my cover page. I think I'm going to add a picture to this first cover page to make it interesting. So to add the picture, I'm going to go to the plus sign. I'm going to go to import. I already saved a photo file to my computer from Google Images. So I'm going to click on Files, Research in my little bar here, Ilhan. And I'm going to double click here. And there's the image. Perfect. I think that looks good. So I'm going to click on the arrow that indicates going to the next page. And here's page 2 and 3. If you're not sure what to include on page 2 and 3, go back to your guiding questions for your research. Here are mine. And look at box 1. Box 1 represents what you're going to put on page 1. So you don't have to include everything you researched in box 1. Just choose the most interesting facts that you found. What are they most known for instance? So I'm going to add my text box here. Text. And I chose to say Ilhan Omar is one of the youngest congressional representatives in the House. She's the first to wear a hijab. She's the first Somali woman in Congress. And she's the first refugee in Congress. So I'll go ahead and click done. And there's the information for my page 1. If I want to add a video, because I think that really makes it interesting, I'll click the plus sign. I'll click import. I'll click embed. And then I went to YouTube and I found a video I really like of a speech that Ilhan gave. And I am going to copy the link and paste it in this little box. Confirm web link. And I'll wait for it to validate. And then I'll say add to book. And here's the video. And I can actually adjust the size of the video so that it shows up on that page 1. And now I'll go ahead and add some color again, make it simple. Great. And then when I'm going on to write my page 2, I can look back, reference my box 2, and that information will go on page 2. There's other features as well that you can use, like you can record your own audio in your book. You can use this pen, this drawing feature, if you want to have hand drawings in there. So, whatever you think will be interesting for your book. All right, thanks so much. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and click done, and you can click this to view your book. This is what it's going to look like to me. And the books can even read to you as well. So like I said, extra points for creativity, extra points if you can translate your book in another language for younger students. And the basics are just adding all that information that you already so diligently researched. So best of luck.